Once logged in as an admin user for your agency, you will see the main dashboard. One of the great features of Radi Outpatient Tracking is that data entries can easily be exported to Excel. Let's take a look at how to do this so you'll be better prepared to use it. At the top of the screen, you can see a list of tabs. Click on the Forms tab. As you see, all the forms appear on the left side of the screen. You may scroll down to find your form. Type in the ID number in the lower left corner or search by the form name. Once you find the form you're using, click on that form. You will see it brings up all the current data entries. To download these entries into Excel, click on the Actions button, then Export for Excel to export all the entries to your download folder. If you only want to download specific entries, prior to clicking the Action button, select the boxes to the left of the entries you wish to export and then click on the Action button. Now you will see additional options such as Export to Excel and then Export All or Export Checked. Now you know how to download patient entries into Excel. Click on the attached PDF to this video or contact your Readiness and Response Coordinator for more details.
No patient left behind. Know before you go.